All right, last part of this review is factoring two-step expressions. When we say two-step, what that means is we can pull something out of them first, and then what's in parentheses is something that could be factored even more. So for this first one, we can pull a 5 out of all of them. That'll leave us with x squared plus 9x plus 14. And then we look at that and say, well, could we think of two numbers that multiply to equal 14 and add to equal 9? And with a little bit of thought, we should come up with 7 and 2. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 plus 2 is 9. And that gets the job done. You got to make sure you keep the 5 with it. Don't let the 5 drop off. But that would be the full factoring. Step 1 to get to here, and then step 2 to get to there. Right? Same thing here. This one just has an h that can be pulled out of everything. We'll have h squared plus 2h minus 24. And now we're thinking about two numbers that multiply to equal negative 24 and add to equal 2. Again, that one's going to be a little trickier. One's got to be positive, one negative. When they add, the bigger one has to be the positive number. With a little bit of thought, a little bit of patience, you should come up with 6 and negative 4. 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. 6 plus negative 4 is 2. And then that's our answer. For 16, we can pull a 10 out of all of those. That'll give us p squared plus 11p plus 30. All right, so now we're trying to think of two numbers that would multiply to equal 30 and add to equal 11. And that one shouldn't take you too long. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 plus 5 is 11. And there's our answer. Okay. On the last one, we can pull a 3 out. We can divide evenly by 3, and they all have a w, so we're going to pull that w out. That's going to leave us with w squared minus 7w plus 12. Now I'm trying to think of two numbers that multiply to equal 12 and add to equal negative 7. So they both have to be negative in order to add to equal that negative 7. And again, this one shouldn't take you too long. Negative 3 times negative 4 is 12. Negative 3 plus negative 4 is negative 7. And then there's our answer.